viewers, here we are again on a beautiful Sunday morning, and we're putting a quick alignment on the Harvest Beetle because we're going to take it to Pablo's this week to get the headliner put in. So that's going to be very exciting news. Today, we're going to take the transmission out, redo the rear brakes, get that all cleaned up, get that switched around to the Porsche so we can put on our fuchsias. And so, yeah, it's going to be good. We're an exciting day in the world of Harvest Beetle time, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
We're running out of time.
Yes, we are, because Harvest is 3 months from today.
So we need to get going.
3 months, and there's 4 weeks in a month, so 3 times over, that's 12 weeks. 12 weekends.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my God, I gotta get busy. See ya.
I am currently taking off this mount, but it's ironic because this mount actually broke in Boomer. So the old man, I gotta do that next week. It's gonna be a fun little project to fix.
Oh, so these mounts are kind of notorious for breaking. I think they had a bad run. Are you going to run one of the Wolfgang International gearbox support brackets?
Am I supposed to say yes?
No. No. Let's be true here.
I don't know.
Okay.
We got a couple in stock. I don't know where they're from, Matt Jackson. I'm sorry. That's a question for the bus guru.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Good work, Jake. We got the shifter out. We're gonna repaint all this and have a new knob for it. And then Jake's working on the shift coupler.
What did you guys do?
We took a transmission out.
Took the transmission out. It identifies as a transmission. You know, still got to take some stuff off. We got to learn where we're going to cut this because the Matoga boys want to do something where they want to come in here and cut this and lower the Beetle. Not my personal style, but you know, Matt Jackson, this is what they're going to do. Let's get up.
That's right. We're lowering it so the shock towers get cut off.
We got the shifter out, the parking lever out. We're gonna paint those. They're cleaned up. This is all kind of tiddly stuff that kind of takes a lot of time, but it's not very exciting.
What kind of stuff, Matt Jackson?
Tiddly, fiddly, I don't know. What's the word?
Say that? Can you say that on YouTube? Tiddly?
Goodness.
Oh my God, we just got an X rating.
Demonetized.
Yeah, demonetized. Oh, you mean we're not going to be rich anymore? Just like that? I'll lose my millions?
I like the anymore part.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the titillating stuff. I mean, tiddly stuff.
I mean, this is like almost an hour. You're on the grinder cleaning up the metal. With Volkswagen, it's take it off, clean it.
Yeah, that's all this is.
Yep.
It's take it off, clean it, and then reinstall it.
I had a motto when I was doing my bus: paint it black, put it back. That was the motto. So all this stuff.
I think that's a Rolling Stone song.
Is it?
Yeah.
I haven't heard that one.
I think I'm gonna call Mick.
You got him on speed dial.
Sometimes you need a training mount or you need a mounted training. I don't know, Matt Jackson.
Now we're degreasing it, and we're gonna clean it all up and paint the axle tubes black. We're gonna throw on the new boots and stick it back in the car and throw the new drums on.
Matt Jackson, for our environmentally friendly people, we're doing this on a tray, and all the extra liquid will be dumped and recycled. But underneath this gravel is actually a layer of rubber that we have to keep, weeds from coming up. And so we do that just to, protect our environment, because at VW Life, we care, Matt Jackson.
We do care. And we hope you care too.
Santa's workshop over here.
Yeah, as long as
with the thing behind it. It'll flatten out.
I have a big crease right here, so I don't know. It's pretty good.
I hope you guys enjoy what you're watching. Hey, we got stickers, link below, VW Life stickers, support the channel. We also have a Patreon. We have one person on our Patreon right now. If you really want to support the channel, go down there and donate. I know you've made a lot of progress on the 67 and people would like to see the headliner possibly.
Oh, well, that would be lovely. This, we have the 67, the windows are now in with the, you know, American trim. And the headliner's done, we got door panels. We're waiting for our carpet kit to come in. A few little tidbits, as you can see, but it's coming along nicely. Door panels are in. So yeah, that's really about it. We got to take the tires off back to discount to get them balanced. The orange Menace.
Okay, I know we're gonna go talk about those two. Johnson is getting close. We haven't done any videos on Johnson.
No,
except the brake drum install. I'll put a link to the brake drum install here. But Johnson's got a motor, a front end.
Electrical's all done.
So Johnson's a
64 single cab.
Single cab with a beautiful patina.
Oh, beautiful, lovely patina. And right now it's got the Fred Flintstone special. But we got a cargo floor we got to weld in, and we're gonna do that when we get our new welder.
Oh,
motors in, brakes are done. It even has the wheels and tires are mounted and on, so you can see that. So that's really good.
All right, let's show them this.
Here's Gilbert.
It's got a name.
Yeah, this is Gilbert. It's a 71 Westie, and it's been painted with house paint.
Right.
Oh gosh. So we spent the other day. We actually stripped it down to its bare nakedness. So what we'll do is we'll get this all clean. And get the original paint. We're going to go outside. We'll repaint the outside in the beautiful pearl white. Redo the tires, wheels, everything. Have totally new seals, new canvas. This is going to be a really nice looking West.
You'll see more of this one. We're basically going to make that one look nice.
Yeah, it's just kind of sitting on the side now. And then of course the old orange Menace.
Yep.
Has a new headliner. Has windows in it. Check out that headliner.
Oh yeah. So we're in Texas. We're pretty close to the border, and we're kind of paying homage to our Southern brothers there with the Mexican blanket.
So this is coming along. The Menace has a nice little 1600 in it.
Yep.
Runs like a top. The electrical's done on this. So basically, the Menace is few little more pieces of the carpet. We got to finish buffing. You can see, look, I want to show you something really, I don't know if you can show. This is just a really light buff. This is original orange, and then you can just see, look at the difference. So when we buff this, it's really gonna come out nice. We're gonna it has these MP8 spokes. We're gonna redo those in gold. I think
that'll be cool.
Gold. Yep. So put the trim on it, but this thing's coming along really nicely. We got to go through the brakes. That's the next thing.
That's kind of an update. Let's go grab lunch.
It's time, Matt Jackson. I'm hungry.
So Martin owns this. It's a 71?
Yeah.
This 71 is called Jesco. This is Martin's. We've been slowly working on that. This is Brock's 74.
I think it's the same year model that had Back to the Future with Tim Ferriss.
All right, we got it cleaned up. We scraped off all the big stuff, and now it's time to wash it off. Okay, we got Tommy working on the drop plates. Martin and Jake pressure washing the gearbox. In here is Gary. He's sandblasting the backing plates.
Hey, Matt Jackson, can you get a shot of that? Look at that, baby. Working pretty good.
It really is.
For a little cheeky.
Yep, you got it going good.
Well, we came across these wheels. We got them. Somebody had posted them up, and we bought them because one of the wheels was a crow's foot, 15-inch plus wheel, and it also came with these lovely beauties here. They're 15s, but you can see it's got a I think it's a Kelsey Hayes K872 maybe, 4x15s, and they are look at these. They're actually different offset. This one is a different offset than the other one. This one I can't make out any numbers on it. Yeah. So if anybody knows what these are, post up and let us know.
Because we don't know.
I think they're really rare and worth $1 million, and I'll give them to you cheap.
Now let's get busy. Our spring plates need a little grinding in order to accept the drop brackets that will lower the rear end of the car. We had to modify the drop brackets in order to accept larger mounting hardware. Jake finishes off painting the pieces that will be going back on the car. As you can see, the transaxle is all cleaned up and ready to go back in as well. With our drop brackets installed, you can see how the axles are raised, thus lowering the car almost 3 inches while not affecting ride quality. The front trans mount is installed and we're ready to stab the transaxle back in. With some careful alignment, it goes right in and it's secured into place. After a quick check in the Idiot's Guide, the backing plates and brakes are installed. Brake grease is used on the metal bits that rub together to help with lubrication. And that's it. The wheels go back on and we get a little preview of the stance of the Harvest Beetle.
What a day.
I am tired, I'm sweaty, and it's been a long day.
Yeah, you got stuff in your ear. Oh, even Martin had a big, he grossed me out. It's kind of like when you have something hanging, a dingleberry or something, you're like, oh, Martin. What a day.
Yes,
Yeah.
Major stuff done today.
Oh my gosh, we had to pull the whole transaxle out, cleaned everything, put in the drop plates, and went back in, got everything painted, cleaned up. That's one of the things we were talking about earlier. When you're doing an old Volkswagen, most of your time is spent cleaning.
Yes.
Because you're looking at 50 plus years of just bleh.
Yeah.
So we got 50 plus years of bleh on. We got everything painted, cleaned up, and put the drop plates back on and installed, rolled. It's back in its spots, and the brakes are all done too, all fresh all the way around.
Yeah, gonna look real good once we get those wheels on there pretty soon.
Oh, it gets those fooshes. Look out.
It's gonna be beautiful.
It will be beautiful. It will be.
Yeah, let's just say thanks for watching.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe,
Yes.
and buy some stickers if you want.
Oh, definitely. Go see our eBay store of Corn Dog Graphics. They got
Yeah.
lots of cool stickers over there. And make sure you tell all your friends. Please spread the word. We love you guys out there in the VW community. Keep commenting on anything. Tell everybody. Tell your aunts. Tell your aunts, uncles, everybody out there. See you later.
Later, guys.